Hi, welcome back again to Inside Home channel. Today we will show you the project mixed historical elements with modern design, like recreating original moldings and parquet floors, while allowing freedom with furniture and color. Let's take a look. The building, built between 1895 to 1898, is one of Warsaw's most prestigious addresses. Renovated to blend historical charm with modern comforts, it still retains original features like facades and stucco. This is an apartment that designed by Marta Krapka, owner of Colombi Studio, as a gift from a client husband to his wife. While the couple usually plans together, the wife took the lead this time. The 150 square meter apartment is used only when the owners visit, so the designer focused more on design than practicality. The kitchen and wardrobes didn't need to be built for everyday use. The designer used selected artwork, including Henri Matisse lithographs that fit the apartment's colorful vibe. Also highlights that luxury wasn't just in finishes, but in working with such an open-minded client. The designer notes that this building was one of the most preserved they've worked on, with easy access to original designs. The living room features a vintage Murano glass cabinet and a custom stone and walnut table, while the bedroom pops with blue furniture and lime tapestry. The clients had some key requests: stick to the historical vibe but mix in modern elements. So, they recreated the original moldings, doors, and even the parquet floors. All these classic elements provided a strong foundation to have fun with furniture styles, layout, and of course, bold colors.